We're at MJ Allen Castings and Machinery. Now, these guys are absolutely fantastic, investing all the time in new machines. They've got Dugards, Hellers, Doossons, Johnfords, all sorts, but we found tucked away at the back and still going strong, this Webster and Bennett VTL. Look at this, obviously in regular use, you can see the swarf here everywhere, but the table here is diameter 48 inches. Now, I won't do the metrics on that, but I'm thinking about 120 centimetres, very roughly. Correct me if I'm wrong. This will take components up to 6 to 7 tons, and they've actually got another version of this, because this is a manual one. They've got a CNC one which will take up to 9 tons, but tooling wise, one tool at a time just in there. Now they've got the Capto quick change system for their tooling, so chip to chip about 5 minutes, but there you go, look at that. So one tool at a time. Now let's sneak around the back here. Come on, Chris, my cameraman. Now the controls on a counterbalance there, so nice and easy for me to use, honestly. So your rapid, your feed, as it says there, coolants on and off. Basically a nice simple control, even I could probably work that one. And then round the back here, just the speed of your table there, so up to 187. They don't normally work it that hard, but around about 137.5 RPM. So that's it, your Webster and Bennett, an absolute classic. How old is it? We're looking at the 1980s, but as I said earlier, still going strong and in regular use.